Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa, and to be honest, I don't know what type of channel I am. I used to say that I was a cleaning channel, and then I said that I did candle videos, and then to be honest, I do a whole bunch of random videos. I just do whatever the hell I want, I guess. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I eat, or what I eat in a day, gluten-free style. So if you guys are new to this channel or have not seen the video yet, I am not celiac, and I am also not like IBS or anything like that. I have not been diagnosed. I do think I may be gluten intolerant, but I have never officially been diagnosed it. I do have this lovely word right here, and that I have actually been diagnosed through a doctor. So yes, I have GERDS or GERDS or whatever. I've been told 20 different things, and I have been told that celiac, and this lovely word, is kind of running the same when it comes to gluten. So I've thought about getting rid of gluten, and then I've been doing it for about 3 months, and I feel fantastic. A little TMI really quick, I had bloating and constipation problems for a very long time, and I have had this diagnosis. Sorry if you can hear my dog clicking in the back, but I have had that diagnosis for 5 years now, and I've been uncomfortable for the past 5 years. So we have tried a gluten-free diet, and I'm feeling so much better. So I'm just letting you guys know. Please don't go off of my experience. Go see a doctor. Go figure everything out. I just figured, what would it hurt if I tried a gluten-free diet? So I'm going to be showing you guys 3 meals today on gluten-free. Just letting you know, there's a lot of things that I am restricted to because of what I've been diagnosed with before or now. I don't drink soda, I don't have alcohol. Yes, I'm a 28-year-old who does not drink any alcohol. And I don't have fried foods, I don't have spicy foods, so there's a lot of things that you will see that I'm working more in to see. Like, there's spicy that I'm experimenting with to see if my stomach will handle it now that I've taken the gluten out. So there's a bunch of things that are going to be going on with these videos. But yeah, so if you would like to see the meals that I make, 3 meals, all gluten-free, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not the healthiest of all healthy people. So there's gonna be a few of these where I'm not gonna lie, you know, it's not gonna be just salad and fruits and all that stuff. There is a salad in this, but I promise you it's freaking bomb. Even my husband loves it, and my husband hates salads. But not every video is going to be like that, and I'm not going to lie and say that, you know, I eat super healthy, because I don't. It has helped with my bloating and constipation problems, but I am not on the healthiest of all healthy diets. There is some times where I do have, you know, cream of mushroom soup and stuff in these recipes, so I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not really here to be a healthy fit channel like I used to be. But I am going to tell you that there is going to be a lot of recipes that you're going to realize that are actually really good, that are gluten-free, and you're not missing out. So if you would like to see the 3 meals that I'm going to show you in my what I eat in a day, gluten-free style, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first things first, coffee. Oh my gosh, I need coffee in the morning. So actually, fun fact is, ever since I had gotten sick, I wasn't really able to drink caffeine anymore. So it's taken me pretty much 5 years to realize that I can drink cold brew coffee. And this is the one that I get. It's from, I want to say I get it from Walmart. They have a whole bunch of them everywhere. There's different kinds. There's stronger kinds. I do the light and mild because I'm trying to get my stomach used to having caffeine again. But this is all I do. I just have cold brew, and then I just add a little bit of milk, and it makes it to where I have a pick-me-up now, and my stomach is actually doing really good on it. So if you guys are having a problem with caffeine, I'd say give it a try. Who knows, it might work out really well for you. But cold brew coffee, promise you, it works, it's good. Unlike me, who used to be an addict and then I couldn't have it anymore. And now we're going into breakfast. Now, I'm going to make an apple cinnamon oatmeal, and for anybody who doesn't like oatmeal, I promise, I know not a lot of people like it, but this, I want you guys to give it a try because it's the way that I eat it. I've been told by many people that it's a lot different than how they make it. Oh, and I add bacon and stuff on the side. We'll get to that at the end. I just decided to show it right now. But pretty much what I do is I get about a cup, 2 cups of milk, and I put it in a pot and I just heat it up on a low heat. And then I will add 1 cup of oats, and make sure your oats are gluten-free. I didn't realize in the beginning that oats cannot be gluten-free, but they aren't always. So just make sure that your oats are gluten-free. Oh, there's the bacon again. That's turkey bacon. I just add it for a little girth, but like I said, I'll talk about that towards the end of the clips. Let's talk about the oatmeal. But what I do is I add more milk than I do oats, and I make sure that I don't let the oats soak up everything, if that makes sense. I more make it like a hot cereal, so it's a little more milky, a little more runny than it is super hard. And then we're gonna add an apple, some maple syrup, and I do the sugar-free kind because I think it's sweet enough. It doesn't need to have any sugar in it. And then I do walnuts, and I have craisins. Usually I add raisins, but I've actually been liking it with craisins, and I have leftover from Thanksgiving and Christmas, so why not use them up instead of letting them go to waste? And like I said, I'm going to do this on a very low heat, and I'm going to babysit this. I want the oats to absorb, but not so much to where it becomes kind of like a thick, chunkier oatmeal. Like I said, I like it more soupy, more like a hot cereal instead. So there's going to be a little bit more milk. Oh, and I did add cinnamon to this. I didn't show it, but I do usually add cinnamon. That way it gives it also that little cinnamony taste. And you can't really tell, but if you look towards the side, you'll see a little bit of the milk at the bottom. That's exactly what I want. We add about the full apple. You can pick and choose. Me, I think I add a little less than a full apple. And then I do a syrup, I do craisins, and then I also do the walnuts. And I promise it's so good. I actually got this recipe from a fast food restaurant. I'm not going to tell you which one. And I decided to come home and make it. And I freaking love this oatmeal. It is so good. Give it a try. If you don't like oatmeal, maybe this will make you like it. Maybe you don't like that thicker part of it, but I promise when it's more soupy like this, it's amazing. Especially when it's been cold out. I love this. It's so warm and cozy, but I must say I have to have something else on the side. So I made 1 egg white, and I have 3 strips of turkey bacon. It kind of throws off the salt and sweet. I know it kind of looks like a lot of food. I don't finish it all, I'm not gonna lie. The oatmeal is what fills me up, and usually the oatmeal is what gets thrown away. The rest of it I do eat. But just in case you can't just have like oats or bread, I promise it's so good. Oh, and I decided to show a quick snack. If you've ever had Pitos, they are so good. These aren't exactly like hot Cheetos, but they are freaking delicious. And now we're gonna go to lunch. Yes, I am making a salad. Like I said, I promise this is not how it always is though. I don't always have the salad, but I love it. It's going to be a buffalo ranch salad, and I usually do just the already made chicken. It's grilled, I just unfreeze it, I cook it up, and then I will add buffalo sauce to it, a little bit of ranch. I have tortilla strips. I know that those don't really go together, but I like the crunch of it, and it's really good, honestly. But yeah, so like I said, I just take it out, I heat those up a little bit. Then once they're cooked pretty much fully through, I will kind of dice them a little bit. That way it kind of fits more. I don't like trying to rip out pieces of meat while I'm trying to eat, because then it gets all sloppy and messy and I can't stand it. And then, oh, the buffalo sauce. I did get Buffalo Wild Wings buffalo sauce because they're the ones I do know are gluten-free. Not every single one of them are, so just be careful with that. If you have a different buffalo sauce or spicier sauce that you like, feel free, go for it. Just make sure that they're gluten-free. And then I will just get a bowl, put in some lettuce, top it with some tortilla strips, throw the chicken on there, and then drizzle that with some light ranch. Ranch is also gluten-free. The tortilla strips are gluten-free. Of course, the salad is gluten-free. And I promise this meal is so freaking filling. Me, I kind of overdo it on the chicken because I never feel like a salad fills me up. So why not just add a bunch of protein, right? Promise, so good. You have to give it a try. And it's super easy. It only takes like literally 5 minutes to make. Next up, we are having dinner, and this is a chicken tortilla soup, only because it's been super freaking cold out. But I grab the pressure cooker, and we're going to dice up an onion and add that to the pressure cooker, and we're gonna kind of saute it a little bit, so until it gets a little more translucent, not exactly, we're gonna more sweat it. And then to that we're gonna add garlic, and we add a celery heart to it. I think we had 2 celery hearts to it, but celery heart, garlic, green chilies, fire roasted tomatoes, we had beans, corn, cumin, oregano, chili powder, salt, pepper. We had adobo sauce. I will have everything listed down below. I'm trying to go through and think about everything that I'm putting in this right now. But I will have everything down below, all the ingredients and stuff. Lime, boom, see a lime there. And if you see my hands have changed, it's because those are my husband's hands, because this is his meal that he likes to make, so that's fine. I'm gonna let him make it. But yeah, so then we pretty much add all of this to it. It's still on saute, the pressure cooker is. And then we throw in the chicken and chicken broth, I want to say. I don't think it's vegetable broth. I think it's chicken broth. And we just cover it. We set it for, I want to say, 16 minutes or so. We let it depressurize, and then we pull it out and we shred the chicken and we throw it back in. Oh my gosh, I love this meal so much. It's so good. And we top it with some tortilla strips also, some cilantro, some extra lime. You can add avocado and sour cream. We've tasted it with it and it's good, but we would rather have it without. So it's up to you guys on what you want to do, but I promise, give this a try. It's so good. And if you have a pressure cooker, it's easy. So quick, so easy. It's honestly one of those meals that even if you did it with frozen chicken, it probably would still only take like 20 minutes, and you just kind of dump everything in. It's perfect if you guys are definitely on the go. Quick, easy, gluten-free dinner. Freaking amazing. You know, I'm sorry that I talk so fast whenever I do these voiceover videos. It's because my editing sucks and I only have so much time, and I realize that I'm a chatterbox who likes to talk, and then all my clips are going through and I'm like, oh crap, I have to explain this part and explain this part, and I'm trying. So I apologize for talking so fast. Promise my editing is getting better, but not by much. So hopefully one day I won't have to pretty much be out of breath and have you guys probably having to rewind to understand what the heck I just said. So yeah, my apologies. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and feel free to hit that subscribe button. If not, I hope to see you back here soon, hopefully to enjoy a few other videos. And let me know how you guys like this, if you guys ended up trying any of them and how it worked for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.